To set up printer on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to enter connections right here, and then you can scroll down to more connection settings. Look for printing, and then when you enter it, you should see a default plugin called Default Print Service. You can click on this default print service, which will start scanning for nearby printers. So make sure that your printer is in pairing mode in any way possible. Just look up your printer name and then how to enter pairing mode on it. When it is, you should be able to find it right here on this list. If not, you can always try to download a specific plugin designed for your printer. So click on download plugin right here. It will open a Google Play Store, and sometimes you will see different brands, but just select whichever brand you like from this list. If not, search for your brand in the search options. Download the plugin, make sure that it is a plugin, and then you can go back and see the plugin on this list again. Click on it and it will do the same thing. It will scan for your printer. Then when it's in the pairing mode, you'll be able to add it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.